let's come back and start with your 2011 paper. Let's see. So in 2011 paper, they've given us the chemistry of corrosion of iron is essentially an electrochemical phenomenon. Explain the reaction occurring during the corrosion of iron. Okay, so I've already taught you the concept of corrosion. I also said the CBSE, your NCERT book rather, they wanted you to learn the electrochemical corrosion, electrochemical concepts. We also have chemical, biological. So in that electrochemical corrosion, I already explained with the cell reactions, which is numbered under video number 32. Watch the video. Let's come back and solve this. Here in this particular question, they've given us determine the values of equilibrium constant. Okay, they want me to write or find out equilibrium constant Kc. Okay, Kc. Then and also I should find out delta G naught. Delta G naught. Both are I need to find out. Then for the following reaction, only reaction is given to me. Electrode potential is given to me. E naught cell is given to me. So as soon as such question is given to you, right? First try to write always the cell reaction, cell notation. Then they've not given the cell notation. They've just given you the overall cell reaction. Write the cell notation. How to write the cell notation, because this also carries marks. First, this is always oxidation, this is always reduction, isn't it? Now start from here. Nickel solid by it got loss of electrons, 2 electrons, it has become Ni plus 2 aqueous and salt bridge. Then here this is silver, so don't write 2 in the cell notation, just write silver by Ag. So silver is in aqueous state and Ag is solid. That cell notation is done. Now let us write the given data. What is given to me? E naught is equal to 1.05 volts is given to me. Done. So now I can directly apply this in the reaction. What is the formula for Kc? Basically, at equilibrium constant in the Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n log Kc. This is at equilibrium. Remember, we have already done Nernst equation. Equilibrium becomes equal to log Kc. Now at equilibrium, one more concept is E cell is always equal to 0. Then what will happen to the whole reaction? Whole reaction becomes equal to 0.059 by n. Yeah. This whole thing, this is log Kc is equal to E naught cell. This is what is the concept, isn't it? Done. Let's start. Now, there's no space there. I'll solve that sum here. Now, what is this 0.059? Okay, just see 0.059. How many electrons got transacted here according to this equation? 2 electrons, isn't it? So look here. Ni plus 2 means 2 electrons. From anode, it has gone to cathode. So 0.059 by 2. Done. Log Kc is equal to, how much is E naught cell given to me? It is 1.05 volts. So log Kc is equal to cross multiply 2 into 1.05 divided by 0.059. Right, I get and this one of how much is the answer? Get 35.59. So log Kc is equal to 35.59. Kc, when I take the log value of 35.59, I get an answer of 1.55. This is your Kc value, equilibrium constant value. Done. So log 35.5 is 1.55. Done. Now I have to write for Gibbs free energy. This one is equal to NFE E naught cell. Correct. So delta G naught is equal to minus N. How much are number of electrons? 2 electrons. 2. Faraday is equal to, they have given here 96,500 coulombs per mole into how much is E naught cell? It is 1.05. When I multiply this whole thing, I get an answer of minus 202,650 joules. Done. Suppose if I further convert, minus 202.6.5 kilojoules. Correct? Yes, this is your answer.